I have to make a little disclaimer really quick. What is going on right here? That's a no for me. This outfit is the same outfit I had on in the last vlog that I posted for last week. I promise this is a different day. This is different footage. This definitely is like a little, like a few days of my life vlog again, because my best friend Alexa is coming in town and I want my vlog to be a little bit longer because I've been making them kind of short, but I'm going to do kind of a longer vlog this time. Oh, hello. What? Okay, this is like not, I'm not having whatever this little hair thing is. Okay, guys, I am at the gym. You already know. And I got these cute little Amazon sunglasses. I love them. I wanted to get the all black ones because they were really giving me like Khloe Kardashian vibes, but I didn't want them to look super blocky on my face. Dude. Because the issue I have with certain sunglasses is when they cover my eyebrows. My eyebrows are like pretty dark. Like I don't have anything on them right now. Like they're pretty dark. They're there. You see them. I hate when sunglasses cover my eyebrows and then I look like I have a bigger forehead than I already do. So these ones just don't do that. Like you got a little bit of eyebrow coming out. You know what I'm saying? So these are super cute and I love them. Just wanted to show you guys, and yeah, I'm hopping in the gym. Dude! Oh my god, literally, what is this? Okay, well, BRB. Okay, so I decided to pop into Hobby Lobby because I want to make those little phone charms this weekend, so I want to see what kind of beads they have. So these are definitely more of the kind that I want to look at, and then also like those are cute too, but they're really big. But these like iridescent looking stars are super in, and these pastels, so we shall see. Julia, where are we going? Chick-fil-A. Yes! Yummy! About to smack it. Here's your little, oh, that's my salad. Oh no, that's your little cool wrap. Oh, that's your salsa, or whatever that is.
Okay, now you're just
There's my salad. I hope I don't get worms. Yummy!
Yummy, yummy, right? I put Sophia on them.
Yum.
Yum.
Like Melonmania.
Melonmania.
Shot tree with the Draco. On and off got Diego. Luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out,
Okay, honey, so in instead of doing my literal homework like I'm supposed to, I'm really obsessing over phone charms. So I went to Dollar Tree just because I know they have little pearls like this. And I saw these on a TikTok crafter that I follow. And so I wanted to get these like pastel-y beads. So I got that. And then I got a lighter for my candle because mine is out. I got some elastic. It just says stretch lace, but it's literally like elastic because that's the only type of string I don't have yet. And then I got another little bead organizer because my other one is for sure way too full because it already comes with beads. So that's exciting. So I'm going to take my other beads I have right now and organize it in this little thing. So cute.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining